we have cube of difference. So let me remind you formula. When we have x minus y to third power, this is equal x cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square minus y cube. In our example, x is equal a and y is equal to b. So now we will just substitute to our formula for x a, for y 2b, and we will have solution. So this is equal. First we have x cubed, so we will be a cube minus 3, we have to copy, x squared, so we will have a to second power, and y is 2b, so it will be times 2b, plus 3 we have to copy, next is x, so we have times a, and y squared, so it will be 2b to second power, and we have minus y to third power, so it will be 2b to third power. So this is equal a to third power, we have to copy. Next we have negative sign, 3 times 2 give me 6, and next we have a square b plus, first we have to do the power, so 3a we have to rewrite, and we have to raise to second power 2b, so 2 we have to raise to second power, and b we have to raise to the second power, minus, and now we have 2 times b to third power, so we have to raise to third power 2 and b to third power. So this is equal a cube, we will rewrite, minus 6a squared b plus, and we have 3a, 2 to second power is 4b squared, minus 2 to third power is 8b cubed. So this is equal a cubed minus 6a squared b plus 3 times 4 is 12, and we have a b squared, and we have minus 8b cube. This is my solution.